This day that God has given me, I'm not gonna waste this joy deep down inside me. I'm not gonna shake. Been stressed for so long, so stuck in my own way. So I'ma enjoy this moment. It's the day that the Lord has made.
What a fun we have in Jesus.
Hey guys, if you watched the end of my last vlog, you know I'm not in a very good mood right now, but we are on our way to do something very exciting. Your girl is at the hairdresser and we're about to, yeah, make it happen. Morning. Excited. Guys, this was the mood lifter that I needed. Guys, I love it. Oh my goodness, like I'm so happy I went through this, because like for the entire week I've been iffing and butting and trying to decide, like, do I really want to cut them, or do I just want to like style it in a bob, or just, I don't know, just do something else, color it maybe, I don't know. Like I was really trying to decide whether I wanted to cut these locks or not, but baby, I am glad I cut them. Like I am so excited. Like I can't wait until like these grow out a bit more and I can actually cut down to where my locks are, because I decided to cut it in layers, because the original plan was to completely cut off all the extensions, right? But I know my actual locks are like nubs, like they're probably like here, and I was like, you know what, let me not, because one, Leon doesn't like short hair, and I'm like, okay, I mean, I'm not doing it for him, but you know, we don't necessarily want him to hate it either. And then I was like, I still want my hair to be able to be like caught up, right? I didn't want it to be so short where I couldn't catch it up. I was like, you know what, let me do it in layers. So I was like, okay, I'm either gonna do it like Abigail's length or maybe a little bit shorter. I don't know. But I went in, and of course my girl Oprah got me right. I was like, girl, we doing this, we cutting it. And she's like, how short? I was like, I trust you. And listen, my Jamaican girlies, well, natural girlies, because she doesn't do processed hair, but listen, properly guided every single time. Like I am so happy I found her. I keep telling you guys that God has been aligning me with like the right places, like to get my services done, because like almost all of my, well, all the places I go to get like my various services done are like Christian people, or like really sweet people. They're all Christian, so I guess that makes them all really sweet. But like I am so happy. Like yeah, we ate down. I am in love. Yeah, anyways, my second appointment for today, I only have 2 appointments, guys. I don't know how I was behaving like I had a whole day planned, but my second appointment is another gynae appointment, like my routine checkup. And I'm sorry to break this to y'all, even though I came here last time, you know, all bragging and talking about my gynae. Guys, we're changing. We are switching the gynae, because yeah, we're switching the gynae. Like there's a whole long story, but yeah, that's fine. So yeah, I'm changing my gynae. I am going to try this one that's very popular on social media. I don't know if I want to, like, you know, speak it out yet, but I mean, if you know, you know. She's very popular on social media, and I was like, okay, let me give her a try and see how this goes. I really don't want to be switching gynaes like this. Like I don't want to be hopscotching, but your girl is getting up in age, and I need to ensure that like I can get the checks that I need routinely. And yeah, so I needed to make the switch. So I'm hoping that all will go well today and we can stick with this guy name, because yeah, you know, it's coming up on that time when girl have to start check for the different cancer and the different places and all of that. And I just want to make sure that I'm situated, okay, and I have somebody who I can trust and who will do right by me. So yeah, my appointment is at 3:30. It's currently 2:41. Yeah, it's 2:41. And I think this place is like in half a tree. I don't even know. I'm gonna have to Google Maps this place. But Leon brought me food because did I tell y'all, like, my morning was chaotic and I had to rush out to the house without eating. So I begged him to carry me some food, so he stopped and got me some Popeyes. But I think I want to get to the location first and then I can like eat in the parking lot, because I don't know where I'm going. I don't know what the traffic is gonna be like. I feel like I should go. It's a Friday, it's after hours, school is out, all of that. I feel like I should go. So guys, I love my hair. But yeah, so I'm going to figure out, let me pull up Waze, let me find the address. I was actually making the thumbnail. Guys, what do you think? Can y'all see? Yeah, I was making the thumbnail for this vlog that goes live on Sunday, but email, I'm gonna find the location for this place, drop it into my Waze real quick, and then we are gonna head out. So I'll talk to y'all when I get there. Guys, we made it. Y'all, I am in the bougiest bathroom. Like, what? And there's hot water. I am just here trying not to act all brand new, because like, what? I'm impressed. I am impressed. They just brought me to do like, you know, your whole peanut cup situation. Sorry if that's TMI, but I totally forgot about that part and I didn't want to pee. Like, I had to say a prayer and be like, God, just send something. But yeah, I'm gonna head back out now because I don't know if like this means they're like ready for me, because it is like my appointment time and I need to get home before the traffic. So I'm gonna check in with y'all later, but just wanted to let y'all know we're here. I'm still loving my hair. But guys, being serious, we can't get out of the bathroom. Like, the plants, like these bushes. Anyways, guys, let's go. Guys, it is 8:30 and your girl just got home, and apparently now I need to pack. So I am doing what I hate the most, packing. I'm so tired. Like, the devil is really trying to, can y'all see me? The devil really is trying to ruin my weekend. Like, I don't know, I'm just not in a good mood. I mean, apart from being tired and like annoyed that I'm so late, because I really wasn't supposed to be on the road this late. I don't know, my mood just feels heavy. But like I said earlier, I'm gonna try to make the most of it. Yeah, so I don't know, like, I don't even know how to pack, but I don't want to ruin anybody's surprise, you know? So I don't want to ask too many questions or be like a party pooper. So I'm just randomly grabbing stuff. I'm just randomly grabbing stuff at this point. This is terrible. Like, the light is just... But yeah, I was told outdoors. That's the most I know, right? I was told outdoors. Can I turn I turn up the brightness on the light, but at least y'all can see me better, right? Yeah, I was told outdoors, so I'm trying to bring things that will cover me because I don't know how the mosquito situation gonna be, and a girl is not trying to tussle with the mosquitoes. So just had to recenter for a moment. So let's just do this. All right, it's the weekend is 2 nights, right? Friday night, Saturday night. I'm going to church tomorrow, so yeah. All right, guys. Let's quickly throw some things in a bag, and I will check back in with y'all. It is 12 a.m. The crew is finally rolling in at 12 a.m. Mama. Me after this brother push me.
Not food you want. Actually wake up now. Food. Actually fully wake up now.
Man, food. I'm hungry for true. Faster. Carry us out of our bed at 7 o'clock in the morning to try and fit us through this gate. This gate, you know, this gate. You can't see us.
Very. Do you see me smiling?
Crystal, no.
No, much joke.
And he looks so pleased with himself.
You hear the water? I'm sure right now your heart is just bursting with joy.
Yeah, boy.
Not to go through that all.
Just part of the adventure. See, into the thick of it. See, pick there.
It's giving.
I am not a backyardigan.
Come. Jump up.
Where we go? Where mean jump up?
Jump up to look over the fence.
You know what I do it for true?
Please to show the people where you want me to go. Ready? Jump up. Jump up.
I don't know.
This brother.
Yeah, ruin my plans, you know. Come.
There's a whole vlog on there, and now I'm starting a whole new one.
Come on. You have to stop recording a 4K in the waist. Come on.
That's so true. Look how I go round. So I come look at the manual to see. No, hey, this way. Look this way actually. Not there. Let me see the baby. Like a string. Probably
Yeah, and that look like bully to me. You need to come to by yourself. As this man I make me climb wall. I mean, it's kind of cute, you know, but very anticlimactic. Like, one must do it out of this over yourself. You can't say about yourself. I don't feel say about that crying.
I saw the light.
I saw the light. But the chair broke for you, babe.
Yes.
Get up.
Never double it.
Don't cheer no good on that
Yeah,
person.
no, yeah, Effie. Master. Actually, that's the broke chair.
I always look on the same side.
Actually, yeah, but just come with the pan mommy data. So I enjoy the hotspot.
Remember that for you?
But then everybody start looking for the hotspot. So like, you know, everybody find the same. And mommy I get the colors now. Hotspot I start running. So daddy have a MiFi. Did you say like them line window? MiFi.
Sleep.
No man, me don't like that.
Listen. I will sleep through anything.
This is a product for advertising. Fresh down, you know.
No depression.
I get what you're saying, but you know what?
Anxious something.
Anxiety.
Anxiety.
Yeah, it could be anxious one.
Guys, we're currently filming a brand video.
You ready for me? Come here, smile. Now.
The actor, I know smile if you smile, miss.
You know?
The director that has no script.
I have it in my head. Director script.
Oh, that
I'm
the
a
actors.
director. I'm telling you, but you are disrupt the process, Mr.
You
Producer.
ready?
Go sit down.
You ready now?
I am ready.
Tell me, put the light up and
Alright. Sit down.
Shame. No, but look how him lie down nice and comfortable out here. His feet backyard.
It is.
Well, technically,
In 3, 2.
guys, so it's Ashley's turn to. Ashley, you're supposed to be looking sad, right?
This. Alright, so this shot actually, this angle is better.
why so in
Go so. Alright, Crystal, you have to come behind me,
Alright.
please. You're being seen.
Oi.
Nice.
My eyelashes growing. What me I do? Like me just look in the mirror, looking sad.
Mm-hmm.
Get into character.
Go as close as I can to the thing. Make your body cut here. Thank you.
Nobody stands as close to a sink.
Yes, babe. Yes, in acting you do stuff you don't normally do. You guys just don't know that. Oh, stop work last night. Crystal, break it.
Wow, it was you actually.
Well, that's kind of true.
I wanna do.
Video
Turn on
story
your
time,
eyes
start
and it starts
flash.
to flick and he push his hand up in there.
Yeah, man, tap it. Crystal like, no!
Guys,
Gay
it's
sign.
a rainbow. I don't know about the gay.
gayness.
This is my God's promise to me.
That all men are created equal, including gay men. Diddy.
Oh my goodness, you did it. Guys, we're in our favorite place at this point. Because I feel like we're not always see at the supermarket. This brother swing the top like he want lick.
Yes, we can sue them.
I say you want lick me.
Oh, so we can sue you.
No, sir.
Emotional distress.
Yes, sir?
Go now, buy.
Juice, you want this or you want the true juice? Alright, run us some.
Crystal has never been to a supermarket this back in our country, so I will take time with her. We're not supermarket or something?
What you mean?
How about wanting to go, you know? I feel like the country's a bit backward, you know?
This
But
disrespect.
yes, them live now, and they live on hillside and all of these things. Hey, you know that when I was a person who
Guys, what flavor
that's
do
how
we
live in
want?
Jamaica.
But you still have people who think so we don't have Wi-Fi and we live in a hut and I don't know why them think Jamaica so backward. No, I've never had that one.
You want to try?
Anyway, no still. It's the orange pineapple here, so. Oh yeah, no pineapple, sorry. Mango carrot. Babe, no.
Enough bush that inside the subway.
Oh, pineapple night.
Look at God.
Fruit punch and pineapple. What for the
Me just say
vegetable?
mango carrots, the mango carrot, nana pineapple,
Parrot.
or sour sauce. So that did jump on my milk.
They always have pineapple.
Pineapple, because most time they use pineapple for
Pineapple
sweetening
is the
it.
sweetener of the stuff.
Yeah.
Ginger sorrel can't go wrong with that shit.
You want sorrel instead then?
Some people don't know. Me drink every juice.
We just want a juice in the
All
potato
right.
we need.
We go to the fancy restaurant there. And start off by laying the tip.
Not me about it.
Press
Going on
delete.
YouTube. No, we're going on YouTube while I go and find one time for the
Can
bird.
you get rid of the laptop? Thank you.
Shame.
Now, when they say we are come shut off, and come back.
And this is what the place, man?
Yes.
Oh, alright.
They did say at 7 I can check in though, but my phone is charging.
7 o'clock? 7 o'clock.
7:25.
How much?
7:25.
Sorry? The placemat is blowing away waiter.
You hope you remember which one you check out of which bag you know, yeah.
In the market bag, man. It's my dessert.
You have this out and you wait.
No, I didn't know yet.
Make sure you wait another day with this one. Take a look at this one. Your hand fancy.
See, the dessert come.
Look at she back over this.
Next thing you go, cost. Let the waiter do his job.
Thank you.
In a tray? No, it's noodle. I wouldn't get extra in one.
Who's supposed to have one number?
You go to a fine dining restaurant, it's supposed to whisper, not a pull up.
After you see the in your whisper, cup of fat.
Everybody take the cups out of the car?
They're in the lunch
bag.
bag. Yeah.
I can use very soon.
Sushi, they're normally 6 pieces of food. Wings. Some champagne glass.
To whisper and whisper.
You
The camera is recording, yeah?
You tell me that we must whisper.
Yes, because it's a fine dining experience. Just supposed to.
Do we never find out I get all 3 courses one time?
Yes, this is the ghetto experience.
Who from fine dine to get to?
It's the ghetto fine dining. Right. Give it to you big, you know? As you should. Yeah, you don't eat nothing. No, nothing. It's not about to pull yours.
Where do you soup?
Yeah?
Sorry, to ask the question. Your soup. Your soup from me.
Oh, yes, yes, yes.
You don't want the soup.
Put it over.
You want me the salt oatmeal.
We're doing a stuff.
Alright, read this. Yes.
About to sit there.
Yes, 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 yes. Let us grace. Loving Lord, we are thankful for this day, especially Ashley's birthday, and we're glad, Lord, that we're able to celebrate in this fashion in nature. Amen. So first things first, should have our fruits first, right, Doc?
Right.
Yes.
Suppose the
Definitely.
Africans would have
Look here, hey. But you have to hold it.
the acids, you know. So the waiter is supposed to tell us what order to have them in, or
Which
So-
one do we try first, waiter?
We are first going to try the muscadine black grapes. Yes. So ladies, please take the size that fits perfectly in your mouth. Whee! And yeah, remember, yeah, no pun intended. Once it goes in your mouth, you have to swallow it.
Yeah, put the whole thing.
Well, you choose it. Gather the whole thing, half a thing. I'm good, man. I just want the
you don't put
audience
things
to
in your mouth.
no, the audience need to focus on your reaction.
So guys,
First time, because I don't think I've had this before.
I feel like I have. Based on the look, but I don't know.
It looked like plum, but
That's what
I
I'm
mean,
saying.
it said name grape,
So
so
I'm
no, no.
confused.
Alright, ready?
First, what do you think in your mouth?
Waiter, can I have some napkins, please?
Yes, please.
It don't taste bad,
I don't taste bad.
but I can't
The
figure out the taste.
skin is very thick.
The skin thick, half it through. So where are napkins? Just a little napkin there.
It's okay.
Yeah, it's just
What else can you answer with the roll? Come.
I think because I think, you know, me and my texture issues, the skin is very thick.
Skin thick bad.
Mm.
The skin reminds me of plum though.
Yeah, that's why I was saying that it's probably like I've had
It's not the plum family, for
Right.
sure. It's not bad. Not bad. What were you expecting?
Not if
You think everything tastes bad?
I don't like it.
Really? Why?
My eating not that expensive. But
Why?
the skin tough. You see them grainy.
Grainy.
Grainy?
Eat the seed for no say grainy.
How say the succeed in life? It's not no. Mommy,
I'll eat it, but I'll eat the inside.
she literally peel it right now.
Yeah. Okay. Okay.
The
Let's
skin
see how
is
this
thick.
strawberry tastes. Wow,
Yeah.
a local strawberry flavor.
Strawberry with flavor. The normal taste.
What is that? Trade salary card with any
Just set up yourself.
Why?
Just
Ashley, my love.
Why are you choosing me?
Ashley,
Still have $100,000 over there, so
my love.
nothing this
That's any
game.
game. What way? You're broken and go for.
Yes.
Thank you.
Yes.
This one go for the 100,000. After my wedding, people see you.
I choose you.
Sure.
So, take some loans.
Why you take loan?
6.
You might buy out all the stock then? No, I'm gonna like this.
$200,000.
Guys,
And I'm going to
ain't no
spend
way.
$300,000 and size. But I think I'm going 1, 2, 3, 4.
But the rest of the stock in buying it.
What's up there?
6.
Spend it. So, only 4. Okay.
Guys,
Thank you.
he's finding ways to make money. I'm pretty sure that's not possible. We should add a rule to the game no more than.
No more than 3.
Yes.
This is why they say.
the plan to buy another one.
This is why they say no more than one stuff.
Fanny.
How does it feel to have 2 million in a game and can't win it in a real life?
Guys, it's absolutely depressing. It
Mercy,
is,
Jesus.
like, you know, the first time around, I chose to do the career thing, you know, not go to school, and I think I lost the game, you know. This time I chose to go to school and do the whole family thing, and I won, so I guess it pays off.
You
to
won
go
at
to
life.
school.
One at life. Like going to school, getting married. You did have picnic?
No,
No.
Okay, guys, so that's the
not the
lesson.
little minions.
No kids.
That's why I have money.
Remember daycare on the
Unlike
daycare,
The
remember?
daycare we pay $5 grand per child.
my
Some
other
people-
colleagues, they had kids.
They'd have a whole van full. Man.
Yeah, so it pays off, you know.
Oh,
No
snap.
kids.
A cheap it we have enough. Me only pay
Cardi B.
2. Well, then drop with that car. Just remember, I'm gonna get the girl, remember?
You get twins at one
You
point.
get the twin, and then I got a girl up here.
And you
So
make the picnic drop out of the car, babe.
she drop with that car. So I didn't get to pay for your house.
She dead. She can't go to daycare. She dead.
I never daycare. That's something expensive. $50,000 per child.
50 and number 5.
Daycare was 5. And something about college fund.
A college fund or some hospital or something.
College fund money. I remember saying, well, it's for the future. Oh well.
Well, I mean, you should drop out of the car and dead, you know, you can't.
It's very
Ain't no
hard.
college. $50,000 for your funeral.
Very hard and done.
Guys, anyways, it's Ashley's birthday. So, you ever sing?
Go in my bed.
If Alian, we
I
wait
thought
for
we
to
were gonna
sing.
do like a duo.
No.
You know? No?
Anything but your man, not shame for yourself.
It's Ashley's birthday. So what I want you to do is in the comment section. By the time she posts this vlog, it would be like belated birthday. So you can probably say belated birthday or happy birthday, anything, you know, to Ashley. Alright, so as of
We
right
getting old.
now, we're saying happy birthday, Ashley. You really not come sing though?
No,
Make a happy birthday, you know.
Nope.
Happy birthday to you.
can't see.
Brother, we're gonna let up with the plum we never like.
Nice man.
Say that. That's one line now.
Hmm?
Happy birthday.
How the birthday feel?
For that, me I go wait one.
Muscadine grape.
Happy birthday. Right. Just finish the end for him.
So, here's my contribution to this thing.
To what thing?
I'm rolling. Come on, flip. Flick. Lock this way, crossway though.
No, like which normal person can stand up so?
Me.
Crystal is a retard. You is a handicap. Look,
Said
look, look
so.
at this one now.
And then, whoops. What?
Yeah.
And, boy,
A good play. You try. I was trying.
balance. Alright, wait. Straighten the knees and.
No,
John.
no, and she's just standing there. No, sir, you're abnormal.
So you can't look abnormal.
No, the most my foot can go so.
Try it, man. One at a go wider.
I did try.
Go wider with the. Yeah, and then slowly come up.
No, sir. Guys, we're leaving. Don't want to go back to reality. So, but it's officially the birthday. I'm in my shirts that I wear every year. You know, legends are born in October. Yeah. But we're cleaning out. Crystal is on mopping duty. This is the mop. It's on mopping duty. We've officially cleared out for a little Airbnb for the weekend. Yeah, it was a vibe. We had a time. But now, you know, back to life, unfortunately. North for dinner with the parents' house.
I understand. We had a rule that we had an agreement you weren't going to buy any new ones. How was it that you have this new one to put on?
So as I was saying, we're currently about to have dinner with my family at my favorite Chinese restaurant, of course, the Saros Garden. It's
2 o'clock?
Yeah. So we just reached.
You need some baby oil to get the sound in.
We're waiting on the fam. Don't tell me leave Abigail in her bed, you know, because I did just assume say she have work and not come in. One of you say Abigail's supposed to be here, so we'll have to call and wake her. But yeah, I was gonna do like makeup and stuff, but I was like, the theme of the weekend has been rest, has been chill, relax. And I feel like I clock my body right now and do makeup. Like that's gonna take time and energy when I just never feel I'm have. Cause I'm not gonna lie, but actually tempted for just to lie down on my bed. But the hunger said, let us go. So I never have the energy for the makeup at all. I even wanted to do my hair. Babe, when we go make and do my hair for me.
I mean,
The
put me
color.
in the night and grip it and where want me there? If it's more specific.
I want to color my hair.
Oh, you mean actually do something to it?
Yes. I wanted to put on the hair wax. But because some people did tell me they were coming at a specific time, I said I'm not gonna have time for this before. I could have more than do my hair because I was sitting and waiting. But then I also couldn't decide what color I wanted, whether I wanted to do blue or purple. Granted, I'm in blue, so the blue would probably make sense. But alas, I'll probably do it when I get home because when I'm in the premises. Yeah, I just feel really tired. I'm lazy. Lazy is more the word. Not necessarily tired, but lazy. I just want to go home and lie down in my bed. I'm gonna have to edit, but I just want to lie down in my bed and just be. So that's the move for the rest of the afternoon. We're here. It's raining, guys. It's raining. I was kind of hoping that the thunder was just, you know, making noise for no reason. But it's actually raining. Guys, I got this. The person who did my makeup for the wedding gave me this lip gloss and I just love it. I'm hoping I can find it back. Because y'all know I've been moving out of my lipstick era. But I like lip gloss with color. So this is cute. Granted, all of this are going to disappear when we start to eat. But you know, Considering I didn't do makeup, I feel like this is a good compromise. Yeah. So that's that. I was just checking in with you guys because I don't remember the last time I picked up the camera. And I really realized I've been getting bad at vlogging. Because it's like, I've just been in my unplugged era, you know? I just don't want to take up the phone and so, more than so. So y'all get neglected. And I apologize, but we're gonna try to do better. We're gonna try to do better, especially now considering all my old footage is done and I actually have to vlog. So y'all can get content. But yeah, I'll talk to y'all when we get inside. Knowing my father, I'm not reach here anytime soon. Them tell us to reach here at 3 o'clock, you know. But we should have did know better. Because if my father involved, give him an extra half hour to an hour. I'm hungry, you know? I'm hungry. So I go. I'll see y'all inside.
Bye.
Watch big back activities. Big back activities. Focus.
You mean a big back?
Big back travel. Because while we are going to a restaurant and we are on our way to Burger King to buy food. Because we cannot wait.
Alright, so anybody know how fine dine restaurant go, right? You take your 5-10 minutes to get a seat, if not longer. 5-10 minutes to get a seat. And after you get your seat, you get the menu. They give 15 minutes for sit down and wait for the menu while they smell the good food on our back. And when you finally them come back now and say, can I take your order? They take 5 minutes per person.
Another hour to get the order.
And then another hour, you see the waiter walk past 3-4 times with something look like lyrics. They say, oh, my one that, oh no, them walk past you. Are you hungry? When you finally get the food, you can't enjoy the food because they're so hungry.
Yes, I work.
Yeah, man. So we had an early breakfast with the idea that we will just come and have dinner, brunch, lunch and dinner. What are they called brunch?
No, brunch is breakfast and lunch.
Oh, man, mix it up. So we had a breakfast. So we were supposed to have an early dinner. A dinner. Look here, we're supposed to have an early dinner. I'm not follow with a dinner. I don't know what that is.
Lunch and dinner.
An early dinner. And the early dinner, it's now 3:30 p.m. Parents don't reach yet. Abby don't reach yet. I'm hungry.
Guys, we're at Burger King. We are going to get nuggets and just drive through.
As it walk to the drive-thru?
Yeah, we're gonna just buy 1 6-piece nuggets also and split it. So at least we're not dead. Before, but babe, watch the drive-thru line.
Yeah, she's a drive-thru.
No, so they say the same through the drive-thru line long. So we are gonna cut the people them. I don't appreciate that. As a drive-thru person, me would have vex. Look at him, so pleased with himself over there. I cut through the people them line. I can't bother. Anyways, you know, walking on road, phone. Yeah, I'll talk to y'all later.
Birthday, hug up and kiss now.
Yeah, push it. Cheers.
This is early. Not dessert, appetizer.
Yeah, we're just going to get one sandwich. So we had breakfast early this morning.
Why are you showing everybody that you're fighting?
I'm showing everybody that you always come and try to take things that are not being freely given. Guys, what is? Oh no, this looks scary. This actually is not a meat. I like meat boil off.
No, so they shouldn't charge you for that fish bone we get.
Where Merciful Savior, this looks scary. What? Like him be that crying iPad. Watch it. The first person to taste the baby shark. Let us see what it's tasting like. It tastes good? Mercy. Well, Daddy prayed that we would not be distracted by the look, but we will enjoy the taste. But boy. Look how mommy run down Abby for one look out, you know. I don't know why should I stop it. Watch it. Watch it, watch it. Run down the lady. Watch it, watch it, watch it, watch it, watch it, watch it, watch it. Hey, my kid. No, sir.
Nobody stopping my shine. They try to break me, try to take me out, but I got Jesus on my side.